Hi, how are you today? Welcome back to my kitchen. You know how it is, it's Thursday. Thursday, Grandma Donna's always in her RV kitchen. Today I have a recipe for you that is for the sweet tooth. You're going to like this. If you like cherries, and you folks who've been up to Wisconsin to get all them beautiful cherries, here's your chance to use them. Almonds and chocolate. Come on with me, see how this is put together. Okay, we're going to start this recipe by breaking up our chocolate squares. Break them up as small as you can. We want to get them all melted in real good. And then we're also going to put in 2 sticks of butter. If you put it room temperature, that will definitely help with the speed up of the melting process. Put it in the microwave for a couple minutes. Check it once in a while just to see how it's coming. Stir it up a little bit. Once it's all melted, you pull it out and you dump in some sugar. Mix that in real good. And it looks delicious once you get mixing it. And then also you want to add some eggs. This is going to be part of our base that goes with our dessert. Also, I'm going to put in some vanilla extract. I love vanilla extract. I use my wonderful little measuring spoons that I've got. They're so handy. And then you beat that all up. Doesn't that look good? Delicious. And as I said, this is going to be our wonderful base. We add some flour to that. Mix that all in. See how nice and thick it makes it? Nice consistency. So I'm not going to add this now to my dish, which I have previously greased up real good. Put that all in there. Look at that. Smooth it out all the way to the edges. Make it nice and even. Okay, in the same bowl that you had, you can use the same one. You put in your cream cheese. I have this, of course, at room temperature. Add some more sugar to this. This is going to be your topping. Put in an egg. This is a whole egg. And beat that all in. Mix it up real good and thoroughly. Add your mini chocolate chips into that. This is whole chocolate. This is milk chocolate. And of course those beautiful cherries. Gives you that red color. Oh boy, doesn't that look good? Add some almond extract. And you top the base with this wonderful topping with the cherries. Smooth it out. Now I want to slip that into a preheated oven. And this will be in the oven for about 35 minutes. Check it once in a while, especially towards the end there. Toothpick comes out clean, it is done. Pull it out, and while it's nice and hot, right from the oven, sprinkle on the remaining of the bag of chips because they will melt right into the top of that. And there you go. Isn't that delicious? Serve that up. Everyone will enjoy it. So what do you think? Didn't it look good? But you like to have one of those? Well, you can have just by going to parttimерv.com below. The recipe is all there for you. Come on and put that together. I know your family's going to love it. And thank you again for stopping by. Hope you have a good week. See you next Thursday.